This cable is the reason why your BMW won't start after an accident. If you have a case like I do, and the car was in an accident, and an airbag deployed, more than just one, this one is enough, that airbag deploys, your car won't start anymore because this cable, which is a safety mechanism located on the battery, it's right here. This cable on the plus side of the battery, it connects back to here. That cable is short. There's a little explosive charge in here, and once the airbag deploys, that detonates and it cuts off the positive, and that is the positive going to the engine bay, which means also your starter. So unless you change this cable, your engine won't start.